with the application of Fibonacci extension levels, the Fibonacci spiral, variations of the time zone, and the Fibonacci fan, the chart shows there's still room to advance towards the next extension levels just above the 60,000 boundary, which could be cleared by the third week of March. Under conditions where the market maintains this year's strong bullish stance of cycling between pausing and bullish continuations to make reaching 75,000 later this year more realistic. However, if price is slow to move over the moderate short-term 58 level, it's more likely even if 60,000 is contacted by the second week of March, a bearish retracement can form rather than just a flat pause. Such moves are likely to stay within this spiral, and as would be expected, the 52,800 to 50,000 area presents progressively stronger support potential to give decent optimism of rebounds approximating the inclines of those fan lines near the center of the Fibonacci fan.